Okay, so let's discuss. If we are having a triangle, let's say we are having a triangle ABC. Okay, now here, suppose it's an isosceles triangle. Here, one of the side AB, it's of 6 centimeter, and side BC is also 6 centimeter. Since it's an isosceles triangle, can you tell me which two angle will be same over here? Yes, which two angle will be same?
Angle A and B.
Angle A and angle B.
Angle A and angle B. Okay, vote for the angles. Okay, I'm writing everyone's response over here. So Anam, which two angle?
Angle A and angle B.
Angle A and angle B. That's what you said?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Sarah.
Ma'am, angle A and angle B.
Okay. Arhan. Let me show the angle A and angle B. Okay. Saad. Are you there? Hanan.
Angle A and angle B.
Okay, what you are also saying angle A and angle B because it's very low, the voice.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Saad. Angle A and angle B. Okay, let's see. if this side BC is 6 centimeter, this side AB is 6 centimeter, this triangle ABC, it's an isosceles triangle, then which two angle will be same? That was the question. Okay, so we say that in a statement form, we say that sides which are same opposite to those side, opposite angle will be same. That's what we say. Okay, sides which are equal, that side's opposite angle will be same. That means if BC and AB are equal, that means opposite to BC whatever angle is there and opposite to AB whatever angle is there, these two angle will be same. Angle A and angle B will not be same over here. Angle A and angle C will be same over here. Opposite to the one of the side which is equal, opposite to BC is angle A and opposite to AB is angle C. So angle A and angle C will be of same measurement. Sides which are equal, just opposite to those side, whatever angle we are having, those angle will be equal with each other. That's why in particular, whenever you get any question in your book anywhere, and maybe mostly it's given over there that side AB and side AC are equal with each other, then there only it's clearly given that angle B and angle C are same. Why? Because opposite to AC there is angle B and opposite to AB there is angle C. That's why they say that angle B and angle C are same. Getting it? Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, similarly, if you are having a random triangle where two angles are given equal, maybe this angle is given and maybe this angle is given and it's written over there that this angle is 30 degree, this is 30 degree. Okay, or maybe that is X, this is also X. Then, and if the name of the triangle is triangle PQR, now can you let me know which two sides will be of equal length? Which two side will be same? If two angles are same, then two sides will also be same. Yes or no?
Ma'am, PR and QR.
PR and QR. We will be checking. Let me ask from other student also. Hanan, Sara, Saad, Arhan. PR and QR. Is it PR and QR? Let's check it. Opposite to this angle, whatever side is there, that side, and opposite to this angle, whatever side is there, that side. So QR and PR, yes, these two sides will be equal with each other. Is it making sense to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So we'll be finding angles like this. Okay, let's continue. Now we are having proofs. Okay, with the help of the concept of congruency, which we have learned already, we will be proving that angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Okay, we will be proving that if we are having an isosceles triangle, that means such a triangle where two sides are of equal length. Okay, if we are having an isosceles triangle, then angle opposite to equal side are also equal. Okay, so if we are having, let's say we are having a triangle ABC. Here, angle opposite to equal side. Let's say we are taking sides. We are taking given that two sides are already equal. It's an isosceles triangle. Okay, we have to prove angles are also same. We don't know anything so far, just whatever you are saying, that since the sides are same, angle will be same. Since the angles are same, sides will be same. This is just theoretical part. We have learned it this way. Okay, if we are having isosceles triangle, two sides will be same, and hence two angle will be same. So here we will be proving it. If we are having an isosceles triangle, two sides will be same, and we will be proving. We don't know two angle will be same or what, we don't know. We will try proving it by using the concept of congruency. Okay, so it is given over there that ABC is an isosceles triangle. We can take that two sides are same. We can take that it is given that AB and AC are equal with each other. Okay, it is given already. And what we want to prove? We want to prove that angle opposite to equal sides. See, it is clearly written in the statement. It is clearly written in the statement, and we must understand also that any random angle will not be same. Opposite to this equal side, whatever angle we are having, since see there is a property in triangle that if you are having a triangle, okay, if this angle is, let's say, 100 degree, if this angle is, let's say, 30 degree, and if this angle is 50 degree, then opposite to this a smaller angle will be the smaller side. Okay, the smallest side. Then the next is smaller, that is 50. This will be the second is like the sides sequence will be like that only. If we are naming it triangle MNO, then the largest side will be M. This NO will be the largest side. Why? Because it is opposite to the largest angle. Okay, and the like smallest side over here will be OM. That's why in right angle triangle, That's why in right angle triangle, we say that this is 90 degree and hypotenuse is the biggest, the largest side. Can you recall it? Hypotenuse, we call it, no? Hypotenuse is the largest one. And we have seen in while using the Pythagoras theorem also, the data is given in such a way that hypotenuse always we get largest. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Opposite to largest angle is the largest side, and that largest side's name over here is hypotenuse. Okay, so these are property of triangle. Let's continue with our proof. AB and AC are equal given over here, and we want to prove over here that angle ABC is equals to angle ACA. Why? Because it is ACB. Why? Because it is just opposite. This side's opposite angle is this, and this side's opposite angle is this. So basically this two angle we have to prove same. Okay, let's try doing it. Any idea how to approach it? Yes. Any idea? Anyone from here? Yes. Anam, Saad, Arhan. Any idea? Sarah, Hanan. Any idea what to do? How to prove that these two angles are same by using the concept of congruency? Let's do one construction. Here we will do one construction because we know that doing construction is already allowed. Okay, if we want to construct anything, that will help us proving a certain angle same, side same, or whatever. We will be we are free to go ahead and do the construction. So we will be doing the construction, and we will say that we have drawn a line AD such that AD works as a bisector of angle AD. This line AD is the bisector of angle A. Okay, AD is bisector of angle A. Let's do it. If it is bisector of angle A, that means this angle and this angle will be same. Yes or no? Yes or no?
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. AD works as a bisector of angle A. Okay. We have drawn AD such that AD is bisector of angle BAC. Okay. Now this angle, this two angle will be same. Now we can see two triangles we are having. Let's try proving it congruent. Let's see whether it is possible or not. So we will be taking this two triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Now let me know, is it possible to prove it congruent? Triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Is it possible to prove it congruent? Is it possible? Yes, who will say, is it possible? See the given information, see the construction part, and let me know, is it possible to prove this two triangle as a congruent triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let's write it. If we have taken triangle ABD, if we have taken triangle ABD and triangle ACD, can we say AB over here is equals to AC over there, right? Then we can say
Yes,
that
ma'am.
we have drawn a bisector. So angle A over here, that means angle BAD over here is equals to angle CAD over there, right? Okay, according to our construction, this AB and AC, which we have written over here, it was given already. And what next? What else?
Ma'am, AD is common.
AD over here is equals to AD over there, common side. By which congruency criteria these two triangles are congruent with each other?
Ma'am, side angle side.
Is it so? Everyone is getting it that by side angle side, see carefully angle, okay, side and another side. By SAS congruency criteria, these two triangles are congruent with each other. Why we started proving this two triangle congruent? Why? Why? What was the question? Yes? What was the question? Why all of a sudden we started proving this two triangle congruent? Who will say? See, sometimes this is what happens with the student. I'm not saying that you are not getting, I don't know whether you are getting or not, but they just keep on doing without even thinking what we are doing and why we are doing. See, we started proving it congruent so that we can say that angle B over here is equals to angle C over there. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And that's why we thought that maybe the concept of congruency will help us proving that angle B over here is equals to angle C over there. That means opposite to equal side, the angles which are opposite, that angle will also be equal with each other. Okay, that's what we wanted to prove over here with the help of the concept of congruency. Previously we have used this theorem a lot of time without even thinking about the proof and all. But since now we are mature enough that we understand the concept of congruency and it can be proved with the help of the concept of congruency, hence we are trying to do so. Okay, so now we can say that these two triangles corresponding part, angle B over here is equals to angle C over there. Angle BO in this triangle is equals to angle C in that triangle, and that's what we wanted to prove. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now we will say, hence we are done with the proof. Hence we can say that angle ACB is equals to angle ABC by by by
CPCT.
CPCT. Okay, angle ACB is equals to angle ABC, or maybe angle ABC is equals to angle ACB by CPCT. Okay, so this is how whenever we have to prove in an isosceles triangle and sides are same, prove that angles will also be same. This is how we will approach it. This is just one of the way of doing it. Okay, there are so many ways that let's drop a perpendicular. AD is working like a perpendicular, 90 degree over here, 90 degree over there. Maybe like it works like a perpendicular bisector, and then we can prove it. So this is just one of the way of proving it. There are so many ways, you can use any way, but please stick to the concept. Okay, let's continue. The sides opposite. We have already proved that if two sides are same, then opposite, like to those side, whatever angles are there, those angles will be same. Now we will be proving, forget about everything. Forget about everything. Now freshly we are going to prove that we are having two triangle. For at first we are having just one triangle where two angles are same. Okay, just two angles are same, and we have to prove two sides will also be same. Which two side? Opposite to those angle, whatever sides we are having, we have to show over here that those sides will be of same length. That's what we have to prove over here. Okay, so don't think that we have to prove it. Let me write it first. The side opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. This is theorem. We have to prove it that sides are same. If angles are given as a equal, then we have to show that sides will be of same length. Okay, so don't say that we know that in an isosceles triangle, if sides are same, opposite angle will be same. If opposite angles are same, sides will be same. Just the statement will not work over here. Okay, we have to show it. And maybe the concept of congruency again will help us to show that if two angles are same, then opposite sides will also be of same length. Let's try doing so. So here it is given that whenever the statement is given, please don't get confused what is given and what to prove. Okay, and for your clarity, let me show you angles. Here it is written that prove that angles, okay, prove that angles opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle, angles are equal. That's what we have to prove. Prove that angles are equal. Okay, and here it will be written that prove that sides are equal, and in between whatever is given, that is the given information. Getting it? Getting it?
Yes.
Okay, if this is how you have to identify what is given and what you are supposed to prove. So sides will be proving. Let's take again the same triangle ABC. Okay, and here let's write, it is given over here that two angles are same. Which two angle? We can take any two angle. Any two angle. Okay, but let's take ABC and ACB. Why we are taking this two angle? See, we are not bound to take this two angle. We can take any two angle. We can take angle A and angle C also. Okay, we can take angle C and angle B the way we are taking. We can take angle B and angle A also. But you only have to be careful that whatever angle you are taking opposite to those those angle, whatever sides are there, that two side you will focus on making same. And accordingly you are going to take the triangle. So suppose in this same question you have taken this angle and this angle are same. Okay, these two angles are same. And now you are going to prove that opposite to BC. Now you will be proving that AB, okay, is equals to BC. Getting it? Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
How you will be proving it? So here also you have to divide it in two triangle, but this time you will try dividing it like this. And you will be saying that there is a triangle ABD and there is a triangle BDC. And you will be working on this two triangle. Okay, and once you will be able to prove that these two triangles are exactly same in shape and size, congruent, then you will be able to say hence AB and BC will be same, corresponding part of the congruent triangle. Getting it? However, when such proof comes, stick to the norm that take, just to avoid the confusion, your concept should be clear. But when you are attempting the question in the exam, you can take the straightforward way, angle B and angle C are same, and we are supposed to prove that AB and AC, these two sides will also be of same length. Okay? Because this will not create any confusion and we will be on safer side. If question is not trying to confuse us, then we will not just get confused by ourselves. We will be just going a straightforward way. Angle B and angle C are same, and we have to show that over here that AB is equals to AC. Okay. Any confusion so far? Let's try
No.
doing the same thing which we did in the previous question, the construction. Please check it whether with the same construction, whether it is possible over here or not. Only 5 congruency criteria we are having in hand. Is it possible to match any of the criteria from this 5 criteria? Check it. What I'm talking about to match the criteria and all. See, sometime you will be able to see two such triangle. Suppose, for example, sometime you will be able to see that we are having a triangle. We are having, let's say, another triangle. Okay. Here, one of the angle is same as one of the angle over there. Okay. And let me create the scenario so that I can explain what I am talking about. This side and this side is same. Okay. And this angle and this angle is same. No. This angle and this angle is same. Yeah. If you are having two such triangle ABC and triangle PQR, and this is how I have given the information. This is 30 degree, this is 30 degree. Okay, this is 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter. And this is, let's say, 60 degree, and this is also 60 degree. Now, is there any congruency criteria which we will be able to apply and we can say these two triangles are congruent with each other? Is it possible? Is it possible?
And
Yes.
angles and angle.
Yeah.
Ma'am, angles side angles.
Okay. You are saying this angle will be the third angle you are saying, Arhan. Third angle you said
Yes, ma'am.
this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. Now, is there any congruency criteria which is getting matched? Like, let me write all the criteria, side, side, side. We will not think about it. Then side, angle, side. Two sides are not given. We will not think about this. Then angle, side, angle. Just a second. Then angle, side, angle criteria is there. We can think about this. We can. Okay, it may work, it may not work. Number 4, angle, angle, side. Okay, we can think about this. And number 5 is RHS. RHS, we will, are we going to think RHS right angle, right angle? Yeah. Hypotenuse, hypotenuse, no. Okay. It's not. RHS we cannot think, right? Right angle, hypotenuse. That means in both the triangle, hypotenuse should be same. But in both the triangle, we don't know the hypotenuse, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So RHS we cannot think. Now two options we are having. Either we can choose angle side angle or we can choose angle angle side. If we are not able to choose any one of the criteria from here, then we can say that these two triangle are not congruent. Okay. So let's match it. We can take one of the side over here is equals to one of the side over there. Okay. And then angle side angle, if we are thinking, then this 30 degree and this 90 degree and the included side, 30 degree and 90 degree included side, that has to be same. That is not the scenario over here. So this is not matching. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Angle side angle criteria means in both the triangles same pattern we must be having. Here 30, here 90, and in between there is a side, and the same thing is getting followed in the other triangle. One of the angle is 30, one of the angle is 90, and in between that there is a side that is called angle side angle. Included side is there in between both the angle, the side which is there, this included side has to be there. This is not the case. Now we will be thinking about angle side. That means we can think about 60 degree, 30 degree and 5 centimeter, right? 60 degree, 30 degree and 5 centimeter. Is it getting match over here? 60 degree, 30 degree and 5 centimeter? No. So we can see this criteria is also not getting fulfilled. So even though the data looks like, yeah, we will be able to do so. Congruency, yeah, we can prove it. So like so much information is given over here and it looks like that, yeah, surely we will be able to prove this two triangle congruent, but we are not able to do so. Getting it? Everyone
Yes.
getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So this type of question also you will encounter, that like data is given but it is not given in well mannered way. These two triangles are not congruent with each other. Okay, let's continue. So here the sides opposite to equal angle of a triangle are equal. Okay, so here we were proving that sides are equal. Why I started explaining this concept? Yes, I was telling you that if we will be doing the construction here also, just like the previous question, we will be dropping a bisector of angle A. Is like, is it fulfilling any of the criteria? 5 criteria only we are having in hand. From those 5 criteria, are we able to match any criteria? If we will drop a perpendicular, like if we will drop a bisector of angle A over here also, check it. If you will drop a bisector of angle A over here also, then you understand angle A over there is equals to angle A over there. This angle A and that angle A, like if this is x by 2, that is also x by 2. Both the parts are same since we have done the construction in that manner. Okay, now what information we are having in hand? Angle B, angle C are same. This information is also there in hand, that this angle B and this angle C are same. And what else we are having? You have to check it, and then you have to check, are you able to prove that triangle ABD and triangle ACD are congruent? If we are not able to prove it, that means we have to take the construction in a different way. Getting it? Check it. I'm asking you all to check it. Is it possible to prove it congruent with this construction? Is it possible with the information which we are having in hand? And if it is possible, then which congruency criteria is getting matched over here? Are you able to check it? Yes, please check it. Are you able to do it? Anam, Saad, Sara, Hanan, Arhan, are you able to do it by yourself? I'm asking, like, I'm waiting for your response, that are you able to prove it? And if you have proved it, then please let me know which congruency criteria you have used. We want to prove that this two triangle ADB and triangle ADC are congruent with each other. Is it possible or not? That's what I'm asking at first. Is it possible? Is it possible? See,
Yes, ma'am.
it is possible. We have done the construction like the previous scenario, that AD is the bisector of angle ABD. BAC. Okay, but AD is the bisector of angle A. Now here, what we are doing? Here we'll be taking triangle ADB and triangle ABD I'm taking, and triangle ACD. Okay, here we can see that this angle, like angle A over here, that means angle BAD over here is equals to angle A over there, that means angle CAD. Just a second. Now we'll be taking that angle B and C are same. We already know that. So we'll be writing it over here. I'm writing over here that angle ABD is equals to angle ACD. Okay, and what else? There is a common side, that is AD side is here and AD side is there also. But the question is, are we able to match any congruency criteria over here? So let's match it. I told you, when you are not getting anything, then focus on one triangle only. Focus on one triangle only and mark down everything which you have written in your list. Okay, mark down everything which you have used in your list. So if we will focus on this triangle only, then I am going to mark down this angle we have used. Okay, then this angle we have used. Okay, and then this side we have used. Now side angle, no, there is no congruency criteria which is side angle. And then what about angle side? Yes, is it there? Is it there? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Is there. So we are able to prove this two triangle congruent with the proper criteria, and hence this two triangle are congruent with each other, and hence side AB and side AC are nothing but corresponding part of the congruent triangle. Yes or no?